Vermiculite is a valuable soil amendment that can be used in several ways for plants, seeds, cuttings, etc. And in this video, we will discuss all about vermiculite, its benefits for plants, how to use it, and also its drawbacks. So keep watching this video and do subscribe for more such videos. Vermiculite is a naturally occurring mineral found in the mines of USA, Brazil, etc. Then it's crushed, heated and screened, and after all of this, such a product comes into existence. In appearance, vermiculite have golden brown, odorless and highly lightweight flakes. Generally, vermiculite is used in many fields due to its absorbent, insulating and fire-resistant properties. But in gardening, it's a useful soil amendment that can be used in several ways and provide us many benefits. Using vermiculite for plants have many benefits. Let me describe them shortly. Vermiculite is very water retentive, which holds moisture inside of it and provide it to the roots only when they suck it out. This is a very unique quality that can be useful for moisture-loving plants. Another benefit of vermiculite is that it holds nutrients from the fertilizer and keeps on releasing them time to time. Personally, it doesn't contain nutrients, but it do holds it for the later use of roots, which ultimately keeps the plant growth continue. Another benefit of vermiculite is that it's non-toxic and sterilized, which means you can use it in a seed starter without the problem of pre-existing fungus or bacteria. Means that it's totally new and don't have any germs. Vermiculite is also porous, which makes the drainage even better. Also, the aeration around the roots will be good. This thing improves the health and growth of the plant. Roots also continue to grow in such a medium. Another benefit of vermiculite is that it's a lightweight material which is useful for keeping the soil lighter and softer. And here you can also subscribe to our channel. To achieve all of these benefits, using vermiculite correctly is the key thing. You can use vermiculite in different ways. The first use of vermiculite is to use it while the transplant. Vermiculite holds moisture, so making a base layer of vermiculite in the planter can help the plant to recover better and faster. It will start the new growth within days, and also in the future, during dry months, plant can take moisture from the vermiculite. Another way to use vermiculite for plants is to use it in the potting mix. The ideal ratio is 1 part of vermiculite and 4 parts of your soil media. Don't use more than 20% in the soil mix. This is enough for making the soil better. Another way to use vermiculite for plants is to use it as a mulching material. Vermiculite is water absorbent, and making a layer at the top of the soil will keep the moisture saved for the plant. Simply make a layer of vermiculite at the top of your container. Another simple way to use vermiculite is to use it in your seed starter. It's lightweight and porous, which is best for seeds to initiate their germination. For seeds, ideal amount of moisture is important to healthily sprout. So again, vermiculite does that. Simply mix 1 part of vermiculite in 3 parts of your seed starter mix, and now you can sow any seed in this mixture. Their germination will be much better. If you don't have a seed starter and vermiculite, the good ones are also linked in the description box to buy, and don't forget to do subscribe for more such videos. Another easy way to use vermiculite is to use it in hydroponics. You can use only vermiculite in a container and add water into it. Now the vermiculite has the moisture that the plant can use, while the remaining water is just at the base, and this removes the chance of rotting of roots. Following these ways, you can use vermiculite for all type of plants. Just be careful with the ratios. It can be used for cacti and succulents, but use lesser. It can be used for moisture loving plants, seeds, cuttings. Just follow a right way. Now let's know what is the difference between perlite and vermiculite. Besides their different appearances, perlite and vermiculite are considered to do the same jobs, but that's not completely right. There are a few differences that you must know. Perlite is neutral in pH, while vermiculite has an alkaline pH. Perlite is much more lighter and porous than vermiculite. Yes, it improves the drainage and aeration, but the major quality of vermiculite is its water holding power. Overall, both have different uses. Both are soil amendments but affect the soil in different ways. To know in depth about perlite uses and benefits, you can follow the video added in the description box. Vermiculite also have several side effects on the plant that you must know so you can control them. First of all, vermiculite has a basic pH which is good if your soil is acidic, but too much use of vermiculite can make the whole soil media alkaline, which can badly affect the plant growth and health. You can simply use some part of compost to neutralize the pH, or simply use the recommended ratios. Another drawback of vermiculite is that it's expensive in some areas. You can also replace this with perlite, both almost works the same, but there is also a cheap and good quality vermiculite linked in the description box, you can buy that. Another side effect of vermiculite is that overuse of vermiculite in the soil can cause root rot issues. Vermiculite have a good water holding power, so too much moisture in the soil results in the rotting of roots, so simply use proper amounts. The chemical composition of vermiculite is hydrated magnesium aluminum silicate, and the crushed form of vermiculite can harm your lungs if inhaled. So, while handling vermiculite, use a face mask. This will reduce the chance of inhaling vermiculite dust. Another side effect of vermiculite is that it doesn't contain any nutrition in it. That's why you shouldn't use it alone for growing any plant. Except a very minute amount of some trace elements, vermiculite is nutritionless. So you should also use some other soil amendments with vermiculite to make a viable mixture for plants. You can follow an article about different kind of soil amendments from the description box. So it's all about vermiculite uses and benefits. For making a seed starter at home, you can follow this video and do subscribe to our channel.